Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Kylie video, if my sister will let me talk. So we're doing a Kylie haul and unboxing. As you guys saw, you will see the unboxing part, but now I'm going to show you guys what was in the boxes. The first thing that I have in my hand is the extended bronze palette by Kylie. Everything's going to be by Kylie. And then I got the Coco Collection lipsticks. This is supposed to be the original one. So the colors, I thought like these colors would look a lot better on my skin tone, but let me show you guys what they look like. So these are the colors, and I'm pretty excited to use them. And then I got another Kylie highlighter. This one is on the shade, in the shade Queen Drip. And then I got her eyeliner, so you guys get excited for a video coming out soon with all of these products. And then I also got two of the lipsticks from the Courtney collection. I only didn't get one, but it was kind of orangey and I didn't feel like getting it because of that. But I really like the color of the boxes. The packaging is really cute. I got the shades French Kiss and Mini. And then I got, let's see, an eyeliner from the KKW line. And then lastly from Kylie, I also got the shades Naughty and Candy K. And I can't remember if these are glossy or not, but I will do a video more in depth of those so you guys will be able to see then. And then from KKW Beauty, I also got a highlighter. This is in the shade Glitz and Glam, or yeah, Smoke, yeah. It was one of their prettier colors, that's all I remember. And then I got this KKW, if you guys remember, I also got the darker one. So I'm pretty excited to use these and compare them. The colors are so gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. And that's all I got, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.